Hey everyone, for today's painting I decided to try something a little different. As you can see, I am painting on an oval shaped panel. These came from Trykel. This is a 9 by 12 inch panel. I decided this would be a fun opportunity just to see what happens with this particular shape. I end up going in some fun places towards the end of this video. You'll see once I get to the blue portion of this painting, I start using that reveal along the edge between the border and the surface I paint on. You'll see that I use that reveal as kind of a starting point for some color, and then it grows to cover over the face and create a really cool, really dynamic, dramatic painting. Now, as far as preparing this panel, before I even started, I put some GAC 100 on it and some gesso. They do come just bare, raw Baltic birch, so you got to do some preparing just to make sure that they are ready for paint. You don't want any of the resins or saps or anything from the wood to get into your paint, kind of seep into the wood later, so it's always good to seal it off with some GAC 100 and some gesso. As far as the paints, the first layer, the first pass, is pretty much 95% just the Zorn palette. I start with ivory black, cadmium red, yellow ochre, and titanium white. Towards the end, I do add a little extra yellow to it into the beard before I switch over to the blues. And really, it's just that simple for the first layer. And then I get into some really intense blues. So then I start focusing on ultramarine blues, phthalo blues mixed with some white. And really, that's about it for the second layer. I do some touch-ups towards the end to the face that doesn't have the blues, but a really straightforward painting. This one only took maybe a little over 3 hours, maybe 3.5 hours, including the panel preparation time, things like that. Now, as far as the tools I'm using, I am using Trykel brushes. These are the Bright series. These are the Spectrum Brights. I do love their Spectrum Brights. Really nice, fine bristles to them. They really hide the individual bristle strokes if you want it to. Obviously, if you use a lot of aggressive painting style, you will see the brush strokes really well. It's just, if you want to smooth them out, these bristles will really allow you to smooth out your brush strokes so you don't see a lot of that surface tooth from your bristles. The medium I ended up using for this one was Liquin for the first pass, just so it could be dry in a day. It did dry in 24 hours, so I could go to the second layer, add the blues, touch up some things, and then it was done. Pretty simple, really straightforward actually. Let me know if you have any questions about my process. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And now I'm just going to go ahead and let the music continue to play while you watch the full process for this painting called Merge.